mornings losing their appeal, and you don't know what it is that's really real. Now you have to think what you want to feel. Walk the pavements of your days, amongst the lost, the waifs and the strays, like some romantic counting the ways. Now I come, this paper in my hand. You have come to live with I barely understand. I've been talking out of touch. Now I know that I talk too much, but it's not easy with your hands held this high up. And are you really happy? Just easy to please. I found this feeling, felt like a disease. It's hard to lose yourself, it's easy if you do. You nearly got applause when I first clapped eyes on you. You and me, and those alarm clock blues. You and me, and those alarm clock blues. And you and me, and those alarm clock blues.